Samsung's mid-range phone, the Galaxy A20, is now available, with a prepaid plan of $129.99 plus taxes for the device. Boost is also charging $25 per month for the line with unlimited data, calls and text messages. The Samsung Galaxy A20 has a 6.4-inch Super AMOLED screen, an 8-megapixel front camera, a 13-megapixel main camera and a 5-megapixel camera primarily dedicated to detecting depth. The phone is available in red, blue, black and gold, 32 GB of storage and 3 GB of RAM. The monthly Boost plan is $25 per month and includes a hotspot and access to the 4G LTE data network for everything but video, video games and streaming music services. The Galaxy A20 offer is available from July 30 to September 16.